everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a haul that I have from Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree yesterday and, well, I went to more than one Dollar Tree. Like I told you guys, I drive all over to the different Dollar Trees and to find items I want, because one Dollar Tree does not have everything. They all have different things. So if you can't find it at one, might find it another. So I drive all around and get my supplies. So let's get into the items that I'm going to show you guys that I got. Okay, we're going to start with these candle holders here. And I got them in pink, white and pink. They also have them in red, but I didn't like the red, so I got these two colors. I think they are so super cute. And I'm so glad we have them over here. I saw a few ladies with them on YouTube here, and we don't always get the same things in Canada. So I was so happy when I went and I found them. So I got a few of these. And I also found our regular candle holder, you guys. These things are so hard to come by. So hard to come by. But I found some, which I'm super happy. And they also had these candle holders, which these ones are hard to come by too. You know, these tall skinny ones. I don't really like working with these much, but they're okay. But because they're not that strong, I don't really like working with them much, but they're fine. And I also got these candle holders. They're in the candle holder section, you know, and they have the nice shape. They come out a bit. So I picked up some of these also. And I got these, you guys. They're silver plastic table card holders. I think they're really nice. I got them. I'm not going to be using them as card holders. They come with the cards, so you can place on, like, if you are going to use it for an event, at a table. So I guess you can place the names or numbers of your table. But this is how they look. Which I think they're super cute. I'll be using them for a DIY, not as card holders on the table. Yeah, so I picked up a few of these. And they have these lovely mom signs. Isn't that nice? They say mom, M-O-M. I picked up a few of them. I'll be doing a DIY with these also. And they had these in black and they had them in white. So I took the black. I'm not sure if they had them in other colors, because at my store that I went, I only saw the black and white ones. So, and I picked up these brass rings. Yeah, brass rings this size, and they also have them in this size. We're doing DIY with these also. And I got some large craft sticks. The popsicle sticks. And I got these wood cutouts. These wood shapes. You get two of each, 2 stars, 2 circles, 2 hearts. And I got some Mod Podge, you guys. Yeah. These are also scarce at the Dollar Tree. Also, they're hard to find. So whenever I come by them, whatever they have out on display, that's what I pick up. So they had a few out, so I just picked up everything that they had. And yes, I know you can buy the big ones in Walmart and other places, but I prefer working with these ones to squeeze them out, because a little bit of time that I want. And Walmart has this size, but it's too much money in Walmart for this size. Yeah. So I rather buy it at the Dollar Tree. Yeah. And I found these frames, you guys. The frames with the mirror on the outside. OMG. I am so happy about that, because I've been seeing these on YouTube here, and everywhere I go over here in Canada, I could never find them. So I said, okay, it's the item that we're not getting. But when I went yesterday, I found some. Yeah. So I picked up a bunch of these. I'll be doing DIY with these. I found these, you guys, in the plate section, but they have this groove here. Can you guys see that? It comes down with a groove. And it also has the dent in the center too. These are really cute. And I picked up a few of them. I'll be doing a DIY with them. And I found these nice little signs here. This one says welcome. This one says home. And this one says love. Aren't they cute, you guys? They're cute just the way they are, but you know me, I'll be fixing them up. I'll be doing a DIY with these, so. But they are nice just like this. And I have some flowers. Yes, I do. I picked up a bunch of these ones here. I picked up these. They're so nice. I'll be spray painting them. I picked up a bunch of them in this color, but my new thing now is to spray paint the flowers. I think they look so pretty when you spray paint over them. So that's what I'll be doing with these, with the DIY. And I found the mirrors, you guys. OMG, these things are so hard to come by. They had the larger ones before. Can't find those at all. I've been waiting months to find these ones. Cannot find them. These mirrors. So I found them. So they had two, I think 12 or I think 12 was in each case. So I picked up that case, the box. So I picked up the 2 boxes. Yeah, because you can't find them. So now that they got them, I just picked them up. But I really wish they had the larger ones, but only this size they had. So I felt, well, at least it's better than none, eh, you guys? And I also got this lovely picture frame. I think this is so nice. It's like a brass finish. It's very nice. I think it's cute. And I found some more of these bling wraps here. This is a nice blue, this color, and this is a gold one. I think they're super nice. So I picked up these because these will be not for DIYs. I'll be adding these in some of my giveaway packages. Yeah, every time I go out, I always look things for my giveaway packages. Yeah, so I picked up these. I'll be adding for my giveaway packages. And this home sign here. Home sweet home. Sorry, guys. Home sweet home. I picked this up. I'll be doing a DIY with this. And you guys, I got some plates for myself. These plates here, these white plates. I think they're so nice. I picked up a few of them. I think about 6. Either 6 or 8, I don't remember. Either 6 or 8 I picked up of these white plates. I think they're so nice for every day. So I picked up those for myself. And I picked up these drinking glasses. I think they're so cute. They're smoky black. It's so nice. Yeah, I picked up, again, I can't remember if I picked up 6 or 8. But I picked up some of these for my home also. And I picked up these coffee cups. The best coffee in town. That's what it says. And isn't it cute? The print on them is so nice. Yeah. I picked up 4 of these. That I remember. 4 of these coffee cups I picked up. I think they're so super cute. Alright everyone. That's the end of my haul. Yeah. That's the end of my haul that I picked up from Dollar Tree yesterday. Yeah, so just wanted to come on and share that with you guys. So look out for the DIYs that I'll be doing with these items that I shared with you guys today. And thank you for coming on and seeing the video that I had for today. I appreciate you guys so much. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
Baby, why's your man not here?